Yo, what's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. This is a trade recap. Once again, had to claw myself out of the hole. Ended up green though. But I did start off red, and I just have to take what the market give me, and it's gonna pick up. That big day is coming. But until then, man, I'm gonna just grind it out. Keep staying green and learn from my mistakes, and just keep it going. So I finished up $132. Could be way more, but like I said, I worked myself out the hole. It could have been a red day, so I will take it. You know what I'm saying? I traded one stock, VKTX. I went long and short on it. Going short, I made $292, and going long, I lost $160, totaling out to $132. So basically, man, just trying to find the meter to move, and shit, man, I was chasing, and I shouldn't have did that. That got me in trouble chasing. But let's get into the trades, man. So this stock had a big run up in the pre-market, right? And it just kept fading. So I took my first trade right here when I seen it breaking down, but not good, man. I chased it, man. This was like FOMO. I was watching it right here, and then it started cracking. I figured it was gonna go down more. You know what I'm saying? After it broke this main level right here, but you don't want to get in right here though. You know what I'm saying? I got in at the bottom at 621. It bounced a little bit, came down. I went ahead and got out, man, because I noticed that it wasn't a good trade. You know what I'm saying? Because this stock could easily just reverse and come back up. So I just got out and broke even. Like, I broke even. Got in at 621, got out at 621. So I said, let me reset myself and see what this stock would do. So it went down and it curled back up. I thought this thing was gonna reclaim. So going long. Once again, chasing, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I did this. I guess another fear missing out, because I'm trying to nail the move. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to nail the move. And I did want to get in down here, and that's what happened. I did want to go long down here. I missed it, and then FOMO came in, kicked in. So when I seen it surging, I said, oh shit, let me get in right quick. Boom, I got in. As soon as I got in, I realized, man, I shouldn't have did that. It did pop higher. I had a chance of getting out, making money, but it popped too fast, came back down. I tried to give it some time, but it ended up crashing back down. I ended up getting out. So overall, my first initial short was correct. You know what I'm saying? Ended up crashing, man, and I was down on the day. I had cover down here at 606. And then 601, so I said, man, let me chill for a second, see what this thing want to do at the open. But yeah, there's a counter right here. I did it again, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the hell going on. I did it again right here. Trying to nail the move. When I seen it crashing right back down, I said, this thing finna fade down. But that was a bad entry though, man. Even though I was overall right, it was a bad entry. You know what I'm saying? It ended up grinding. Then it started fading off, and then I got out to my profit. So I'm making my money back. So the market opens. I had the right trade right here. Now this was a good trade because I got in at the bottom. I let it spike. I let it come down. I said, oh, this thing gonna hold up. It started creeping up. I went long right here. That was a nice trade at 553, and then it popped. I got out at 562. Got out too soon because this thing started just going crazy, man. It started grinding all the way up. It popped, got short. I didn't chase it here, but I should have let it just run, man. I ended up getting out, taking a little small gain because it ended up coming back up. I thought it was gonna crash and fade down, but it didn't. Start holding back up. Said, oh shit, let me go ahead and get out. This thing holding up, because I don't want to get squeezed, and that was the right call to get out. So I should have left it alone when it broke the new highs, but I ended up going short, thinking it was gonna be like a fake breakout. It did it for a little bit, but then it started holding up, and then it started squeezing up. So I went ahead and got out. So just going back and forth on this stop, man. And the last trade put me in the green. It was this short right here. Stop, came down, it bounced. I went short at 6.52 and ended up topping out. I said, this thing look weak as hell. Let me hold this. I did, and then it started breaking down. And then I ended up getting out at 6.07. So that was a trade, you know, I held, you know, and that put me in the money. So after that, man, I said, man, I was down. I clawed my way out. Again, got myself green. Let me call it a day, man, before I end up screwing up and, you know, making a bad decision. So let me just leave it alone. And then what to do after that? You know, see, that was good to get out. See, if I would have held this thing being greedy, you know, it went all the way back up to the highs, man, and I would have been on the water. But I went into my game. Soon I was green, I took the profit, and I was done. That was it. That's it for this recap on VKTX. I'm gonna have tons of videos, man, tips and stuff like that. Different type of video for y'all. Yeah, just bringing everything to this channel right here. This is like this is my second channel, not my main channel, but I'm doing trade recaps, tutorials and tips and stuff like that on this channel. So make sure y'all subscribe, and let's keep this winning streak going, man. I'm still on the winning streak, and let's get it.